All right, let's see what's going on.
Look at that. If I take it out, it's gonna.
Yeah, these woods are in a million pieces here. You know what I'd like to do?
Make a frame.
I'd like to make a frame.
I told all of them.
These are supposed to let it out. If I use my brown trim material.
This is bad.
No, these are all broken. These are all broken. But if I use the brown metal,
It's about the same thickness.
if I use the brown metal here, well, the damage is done already on this. You took off all the screws on these?
No, no screws.
What's
That's why they put
what's
nails.
holding this?
Nails. Look at all the nails they put in there, Jay. Millions.
Oh, those are little tiny.
Yes. They put the screws and put nails. But
So
they break it when they took it out.
what I'm feeling like is this has a decent amount of thickness on it. I'm feeling like if I take this off and I put my metal frame on there,
Yeah, the metal
it'll be
frame.
nice. All right, let's remove that.
You sure?
Yes. All right, so we took those old crunchy moldings off and I put my new metal frame in here and I screwed it in with stainless steel panhead screws with a wood tip on them. Let's install some screen. You guys ready to install some screen in place?
What did I say?
No, here, take that for a second.
That's what.
I don't think I'm going to use that again.
Sure.
Yeah, put it at the bottom of the stairs, but as soon as I say I don't need it, I need it. All right, so let's cut this string to reach. What are these called again? Spline. Okay. Now we got to make the downward tension. You know the routine. Got to make the downward tension. Make sure that it's straight with my reference line. Okay, it's straight up there. This wind is being a pain in my ass.
Charles, come out there.
Oh no. Don't tell me that. Okay, it's in. Now I gotta make tension. Now I gotta make some tension. Gotta make some static. Talk to me. Feels like it's loose. Too loose. Dímelo. Oh boy. The wind is screwing me up.
Oh, my back is moving up there. Oh, I feel water in my neck.
Okay, I got more tension now.
Not better.
How's the tension?
Still the same.
Come on, don't play around.
I'm not.
No, that's going to be all right. How about now?
Better.
Well, it's a long span, so you're only going to get so much tension this way. The side tension will be good. Still okay?
Yeah. It's getting tighter.
Freaking wind again. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Oh, it's tight now.
Okay, that's in there. Ooh, I almost ripped the bottom.
You ripped that shit.
I like pulling to the left, so I'm going to do the right side first. Let me cut this slack off. Okay, I'm all right. You could box this up.
There you go.
All right, let's do the right side first. It'd be nice if this door was open. By the time they open the door, I'll be done with this side. Oh, thank you. I need to stand on this.
Okay.
Damn it, I do nice work. It's all right, as long as you roll off to the side, that's not in the middle, you're okay. I'm using the tight spline. This is a tough push in there. I could have used the easy to push spline, but it would pull out of the door easily. This makes for a better job, but it makes for a more difficult install. I'm not afraid of difficult. Ooh. Keep rolling to the outside, please. Can I have a better roller? This roller is horrible. Take the one out of the new box, please. In the clear box, there's no new one in there? I bought a new one. Oh, I might have taken it out of the box already. Okay.
That's the new one. Talking about. The new one's the one you got in your hand.
They're both loose. I still like this one better. All right, can you wedge the door from the back? And here, we better get rid of that.
Am I gonna get rid of it? I wanna hold this or I wanna get rid of this?
Well, get rid of that. I got enough string. Look. And I think I should stand on that because I can't reach this. I need this ladder just for a little bit of a reach. It's like icebergs blowing out of here. Make sure this is unlocked. Dude, that doorknob is so close to the door. You catch your finger on it. Oh.
What are you doing? Side?
Yeah.
Side?
Okay, good. Right there. Somebody's doing the laundry. I could smell that horrible, cheap laundry detergent smell.
Tiny.
Oh boy. Watch out, we're making a professional video.
All that is fuck.
Watch out. You know what I've never seen again? This stupid plastic roller that I bought. Never seen it again.
Is there no light? Oh, which one?
The
blue one?
Yeah, is it
The
blue?
one that I was using?
No, the professional one with the big wheel that I ordered.
That's over there in the way back. Unless Lama lost it. Every time he works, you have to lose something.
That is true.
You're getting fuming.
Getting.
Yeah.
Let me cut this while I'm up here.
Really, bro. Okay.
Big time.
What are you guys?
It's in the back of the truck. That's for the carpenter.
No, I know. The frame is so fucked up. They chewed up and this shit. Crazy.
Get off of there. Get off of there, please. Thank you. I don't know what this brown shit all on my arm is.
Hairs.
Covered. Sasquatch hairs. Dude, guess how much they charged me for being bald to get a haircut yesterday?
You pay for that shit? I thought you did it yourself.
No, I didn't.
Oh my god.
25. I said, how much for bald guys? And they're like, oh, you missed. Yesterday it was half price for bald guys. I got this. I got this.
This shit ain't gonna move.
I got this. I got to hold it from the back. Ooh, that is tight. Maybe too much. I don't know. Come on, Jay. Relax. You're getting too tight with this. Let's try rolling it in. Take some of the tension off. Okay, that's better, I think. I hope. Okay, that made it a little bit looser. The tropical storm is coming. Certainly humid enough. It's like a sauna. Yeah, that's the new one. Please, God, let me finish this safely right here. Oh. No, 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 no. That's me trying to do a beautiful job using the super tight spline. I'm going to need the leaf blower again. We got a million staples still here. All right, let's cut this bugger in. Get off of there. I think this is easy. I just make it look easy. Tell you what, I earned my pay on this one. I earned my pay on all of them, even the easy ones. It's not easy getting the jobs either. You got to have websites and blah, blah, blah. Damn it. Let's not get too proud now. We're gonna... There it is. Glad I'm not in charge of that. It has two rollers. Boy, this is old school, boy. And even a lock that's falling out. Your screwdriver's all jacked up now. This thingy fell out. Oh no, it's okay now.
Oh, the whole thing came out?
Yeah. All right. Thank you. Do you like it? Should we start over? Oh boy. Okay. I got those two simple screens at my house. Those people are picking them up. One's a flat spleen and the other one's a regular door.